Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. We meet again for another subtopic in time series analysis for odd number moving average. Okay, your moving average for odd number can have in 3 information, 5 information, 7 information, and so on. So now let us look at this example for odd data. The data shows the number of TSOP microchips in million units produced by Chippak Malaysia Sdn Bhd during 3 shifts for 32nd week of year 2002. Assume the company operates from Monday through Friday. So here are the information. Monday until Friday, and you have 3 different shifts. Now calculate the trend value. Okay, if you have this kind of table, what you need to do is you tabulate the information into this kind of format. The column here represents day, the second column here represents shift, and the third column represents production in million. And you know that the production is denoted as Y. Now and the production is denoted as Y. Now, when you assign the days, the shift might assign accordingly according to day. So the next step you need to do is to create another column here for 3 moving average. So here I have created this column 3 shift moving average, which represent the trend or denoted as T. How are you going to perform 3 shift moving average? The calculation should be, so you add up these 3 numbers from Monday shift 1 until Monday shift 3. Okay, and then you divide by 3. Once you have obtained the value, assign the value in the second shift. Okay, the value should be between first and third value. So here is your value. Now, when we want to do it for the next part, okay, you discard the first one and then you add up another 3. Why always 3? Because this is 3 shift, so you have to move the information in 3, 3. 25 plus 35 plus 32 divide by 3 and you will get 30.6667 and place it here. Okay, because you have discarded the first one, so it's between 2 and 1. Put it in the center between shift 2 Monday and shift 1 Tuesday. The next part, discard the second one, add up another 3 information and place it in the center between this value and this value. So here the value that I obtained for the third trend is 31.6667. So proceed with the calculation until you cannot add up the 3 information. So the last one will have no value. So once you have calculated for the trend value, you can plot the time series data and the trend line. This figure represents the actual value, which is the production, and the trend value is represented by the blue color. The actual value indicates a trend of up and down in the production, while the trend values display a trend line of the information. So the next part, we need to forecast the number of TSOP microchip on Tuesday, second shift of 33rd week. To do forecasting, you have to create another information, which is information of variation. This you can obtain through production divided by trend, Y divided by T. If you look from this data, the first variation that we can obtain is from the second shift Monday. Why? Because second shift Monday have the information of production and information of trend. Divide 25 with 30 and assign the value according to this row where it have production and trend. The first trend that I obtained from this calculation is 0.8333. Proceed with the rest until here, the last trend value. Here I have calculated for the rest of the variation. Once you have obtained the variation value, the next step that you need to do is to extract this information and tabulate it into another form of table. So extract this and bring it to this kind of table. The first value is 0.8333 is from the first trend shift to Monday. Okay, the star here represent no information on the first shift Monday. You have no information here and you have no information here. So there is another star in third shift Friday. Make sure you allocate the information correctly according to shift and day. Next part, you need to find total for each shift. For shift 1, you would add up 1.0105 plus 1 plus 0.9375 plus 0.9756 and you will get 3.9236. Proceed with second shift and third shift. Once you finish this one, the next step is to find the average for each shift. For the average, for example, average 1 here, the procedure will be the total of shift 1 divided by the value or the number of variation in shift 1. So here we have 4 information of variation in shift 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be 3.9236 divided by 4 and you will get 0.9809. And as for second shift, the total will be 4.1663 and the number of information of variation is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.1663 divided by 5 and you will get 0.8335. And as for shift 3, the number of total is 4.7336 and the number of variation here is 4. So you will get 1.1834. Once you have found all this information, you add up all the average value. 0.9809 plus 0.8333 plus 1.1834. And the total average that you obtain here is 2.9976. When you look at this total average value, the value is less than 3, not exactly 3. And if you have value greater than 3, for example 3.001 or 3.013, you need to do adjustment. You will not proceed with adjustment if you have the total average equals to 3. Since you have less than value 3 for the total average, create another row for adjustment. So to find the adjustment, the procedure or the step will be 3 divided by total average. Why 3? Because we have 3 information. Shift 1, shift 2, shift 3. So here the adjustment is 1.0008. So the last step that you have to do is to find seasonal indices for each shift. For the seasonal index or SI, the calculation involves adjustment times with shift 1 if you want to find seasonal indices or seasonal index for shift 1. 0.9809 times with 1.0008. And for shift 2, it will be 0.8333 times with 1.0008, and you will get 0.8339. And for shift 3 is 1.1834 times with 1.0008, and you will get 1.1844. Since we need to forecast Tuesday's second shift of 33 weeks, so I have add up another row for information on Monday, shift 1, 2, 3, and Tuesday, shift 1 and 2. I stop until 2 because we need to focus on Tuesday's second shift. Here are the 3 steps in forecasting Tuesday's second shift of 33 weeks. Now we look at the first step here. To find TVV, you need to have the information of the last trend value, the first trend value, and number of trend in column trend. So let us get back to our table here. So here is your first trend value, 30.0000, and the last trend value is 41.6667, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 information of trend. So this is how the TVV is being calculated. And the value of TVV here is 0.9722. Here will be T equals to 1. This will be T equals to 2. T equals to 3. T equals to 4, T equals to 5, and the last part for second shift Tuesday will be T equals to 6. So the small t here is 6. And the trend value for the second shift Tuesday is 47.4999. The next part, you need to forecast the production of the second shift Tuesday of 33 weeks. This is how you obtain for the third step. You have the information on the projected trend value, and you also have the information of seasonal index. Which index that you need to use? Since you have 3 shifts, 1, 2, 3. Recall back the question. Recall back the information that you need to find. You need the second shift. Extract the seasonal index of second shift. The production on Tuesday, second shift of 33 weeks is 39.6102. Make sure you do not forget to put in millions unit. So this is how you do for odd moving average for time series analysis.